At 10:30 HRS, the vessel collides with a small fishing boat on the starboard bow while navigating in moderate traffic. An injured crew member is found near the forecastle, and the hull needs checking for potential damage.
I've injured my leg. I need assistance.
Mayday, mayday, there is a collision on board. I'm very fast, collided with a fishing vessel. All crews, pay attention and be safe. Chief Officer, please provide first aid materials. There is an injured crew. Cadet, provide Chief Officer with assistance. Move.
Sir. Cadet, please bring first aid material to the injured person. Please, sir, go. Yes, sir.
Sir, are you okay?
Yeah, okay, I'm fine.
I'm gonna put this into your leg.
Yeah.
Go.
Congratulations on the drill. We have completed it. Are all crews here? Please account.
1, 2, 3. All crews are completed, sir.
Okay, so we have completed the drill. Congratulations to us. So we have some minor improvements to do. The quick retrieval of the stretcher and communication on the radio. So we will review next week the GMDSS. Chief Officer, please put this activity on the SMS.
Sorry, sir.
Copy that.